How to remove Bitcoin from Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can remove Bitcoin from Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to remove Bitcoin from Cash App, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all make sure to launch Cash App on your device. Once you launch Cash App, let's say that you have some amount of Bitcoin left and then you want to remove it. Now it's not really called removing. If you're talking about removing the whole feature of Bitcoin from Cash App itself, then you won't be able to do so, as this is the application development procedure. But if you have some Bitcoin and then you want to withdraw it's very simple. Just come to this tab. From USD, you have to simply select Bitcoin over here. If you don't have Bitcoin, it will ask you to and prompt you to buy one. But if you do have, after you select the Bitcoin option over here, from USD to Bitcoin, you can simply enter the dollars worth of Bitcoin you want to withdraw, tap the request or the pay option, and once you've done that, you'll be able to withdraw them accordingly. But before you do that, you can also choose to sell your Bitcoin. Once you sell your Bitcoin, you can basically go in and withdraw them accordingly, or you can send it to some another wallet such as Binance, Robinhood, or whatever else that you might have. Hope this video answered your question as to whether or not you can go ahead and then basically withdraw on Cash App. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.